Dear students, in the last class, we have studied about inverse variation and inverse proportion and solved sums based on it. So today, we are going to solve few more sums. Solve the following. If x varies inversely as y and x equals to 12 when y equals to 33, find x when y equals to 11. Here x1 equals to 12, y1 equals to 33, x2 we need to find out, and y2 equals to 11. Thus inverse proportionality is expressed as x1 upon x2 equals to y2 upon y1. Now we need to just substitute the values. So x1 that is 12, 12 upon x2 equals to y2 is 11, 11 upon y1 that is 33. So we get 12 upon x2 equals to 11 upon 33. Now we need to do the cross multiplication. So x2 into 11 equals to 12 into 33. So keeping x2 on one side, we get 12 into 33 upon 11. 11 here it is multiplication. So when it goes on other side, it becomes division. 11 ones are 11 threes are. So 12 into 3. So x2 equals to 36. The next sum. If x varies inversely as square of y and x equals to 2 when y equals to 1, find x when y equals to 2. Here we have given x varies inversely as square of y. So x is proportional to 1 upon y square. So x equals to k upon y2. At case 1, when x equals to 2, y equals to 1. So substituting the values in this form, we get 2 equals to k upon y2, that is 1, 1 square. So 2 into 1 equals to k. So k equals to 2. When y equals to 2, x equals to k upon y square. So x equals to 2 upon 2 square. 2 upon 2 square is 4. So 2 ones are 2 twos are. So x equals to 1 upon 2. The next sum. If x varies inversely as y and x equals to 1 upon 2 when y equals to 16, find y when x equals to 4. Here x1 equals to 1 upon 2, y1 equals to 16, x2 equals to 4, y2 equals to 2. We need to find out. Thus inverse proportionality is expressed as x1 upon x2 equals to y2 upon y1. Now we need to just substitute the values. X1 that is 1 upon 2 upon x2 that is 4 equals to y2 upon 16. So 1 upon 2 into 4 equals to y2 upon 16. So y2 equals to 1 into 16 upon 8. Shift the 16 on other side. 8 1 side 2s are. So 1 into 2 that is 2. So y2 equals to 2. The next sum. If x varies inversely as y and x equals to 3 when y equals to 20, find x when y equals to 5. Here x1 equals to 3, y1 equals to 20, x2 we need to find out, and y2 equals to 5. Thus inverse proportionality is expressed as x1 upon x2 equals to y2 upon y1. Now we need to just substitute the values. 3 upon x2 equals to 5 upon 20. Just cross multiplying, x2 into 5 equals to 3 into 20. So x2 equals to 3 into 20 upon 5. So x2 equals to 3 into 4. 5 ones are 5, 4s are. So 3 into 4 which is 12. So we get the value of x2 which is equals to 12. So students, I hope you all have understood the sums based on inverse variation and inverse proportion. So there is a small assignment based on it. Please try to solve it. Thank you.